Hey, this is Curtis Hyde. I'm with Colorado Computer Support, and thanks for joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I really appreciate it. Well, if you ever find yourself at your computer trying to figure out why you don't have audio on your laptop or your computer, it happens very often. Don't worry, you're not alone. We handle this pretty often with a small little change. But let's go and let's talk a little bit about a self-diagnostic about how to figure out why there's no audio maybe coming out of your computer. The first thing you want to check is just to see if you have your speakers on mute. Very simple to do that. So for all this, you're going to go to the right-hand corner of your taskbar. It's down in the bottom of the right-hand corner is going to look just like this. This is your bottom corner of your taskbar. The first we're going to check is whether your audio is muted. If it is muted, it's going to look like this. It's going to have an X through the speaker system. That's going to say, hey, your audio is muted. All you want to do is click on that and then hit unmute, and that's going to turn your audio back on. Now, if that doesn't work and you're still trying to figure out why I don't have any audio, let's find out what component you're plugged into. And what I mean by that is now in that same system, go ahead and click that same speaker button. It's going to span, it's going to give you a slide bar to control the volume, and then to the left of that, or sorry, to the right of that, you're going to have a little up arrow button. Click that up arrow button. It's going to open, it's going to show the different audio components of where you could get audio sent to through your computer. So for this setup right here, there are 3 different areas that can actually send audio. 2 of them are speakers and 1 of them is a headset. So if you have a headset on and you're hearing your audio come from your laptop and you're trying to figure out why, well, the pathway is not directed to your headset. So all you want to do is open that command, click on the headset, and then it will send the audio to the headset. Or if you have the device, or if you want it to be the opposite, that it's only coming through the headset, but you want to go to the computer, go ahead and unselect the headset and select what speaker you'd like it to have it come through, and it will direct the pathway of the audio to the new area which you have it selected. Hope that helps you out. Next time you find yourself in a pickle trying to figure out where the heck is my audio, is it muted or is it going to the wrong place? You can easily self-diagnose that to figure out where the heck that audio is going. If you do have any further questions or just want any other assistance with your business IT, feel free to reach out to us. We're Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we do, and you can reach us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week for the next Tuesday Tech Tip.